we're gonna learn how to tie the Alpine butterfly knot. Now the Alpine butterfly creates a midline loop anywhere along the line that you want to tie the knot. To tie the knot, there are a couple different ways that you can tie it, but I'm gonna cover just one of them. The way that I was taught and the way that I keep tying it is I jokingly call it the left to right knot. So you start from the left and we're gonna wrap it around the palm of our hand 3 times, like so. So we've got a left, a center, and a right strand. Now we're going to take the left and we're gonna put it to the right. And then we're gonna take the left again, put it to the right, and then we're gonna pull this through the other 2 loops. We're gonna grab the end here and we're gonna pull it like so. And then we're gonna spread the wings of the knot like this so that it forms a nice uniform looking knot on both ends. If we're gonna use this as a stopper knot in some sort of climbing system, it is recommended that you add a piece of hardware to it to back it up, like so. That way that this knot does not slide back through itself and the knot comes undone. And that is how you tie the Alpine butterfly.